Oh, I love you so much. Oh, what's this? Live your dream. I'll take this.
Welcome to your wildest dreams, where anything is possible.
For one day only, you'll be able to make your imagination come true. We will call your name out one by one and take you to the next classroom.
First up is Harry. Should we go to the next room?
Guys, whilst you wait, do you want to play a game?
Okay, Harry, stand in front of the TV. Now close your eyes and imagine your ideal world, and just be happy. Now I'm going to use this remote to zap you into the TV. Make sure to jump.
Oh my god. A world of slides and adventures. Wow, a world of action and colour. Hiya!
A world where cats rule the world.
You can feed them.
There's a panda!
I'm extraterrestrial. Check it out. It's my revolving world. I'm off to explore.
Excuse me, I'm not sure if this is paradise. Can you let me out? Can you take me out, please? Hello? Is anyone there? I would like to get out now, please. My grandma is waiting for me to bring her shopping. I have film class tomorrow. I want to be with my family now.
Now the final step. Let's turn off the TV. Mwahaha!
Our plan worked. Time to get more kids.